This is a simulation on how to create a job and update it. We will be using an import job for this simulation. For import jobs, user needs to enter bill of lading as a requirement to proceed in encoding the job. The system detects if the bill of lading is already in the system. Tick the checkbox for import job and click Create Job. The shipment type gives you 3 options to choose from: full container load, loose cargo, or break bulk. Enter the number of container, loose cargo, or break bulk included in the job. Select the vessel and voyage if available. Other was select TBA-TBA. Then click Create Job and go to Next Step after initial details are completely encoded. User will be transferred to dashboard to update the job. Click Update button to provide full details of the shipment. Enter the shipper details, then the consignee details, origin country, origin city, destination country, destination city, port of loading, port of discharge, delivery location to where the client is located. Leave FAK number as NA if this is not an FAK shipment, then followed by shipping line and shipping agent. Enter the cargo details, cargo description, gross weight in kilograms and cubic meters, then click Save and go Next. After fully encoding the job, the system will now require Customs Compiler to upload series of documents. The documents required are the actual steps that the customs clearance takes in a job. First will be to upload commercial invoice, packing list, and bill of lading. These 3 documents are the most important initial documents. Scan the documents and save the file names as required by the system. In this example, commercial invoice file name is saved as HL25080001_ci.pdf. If the upload requires 3 files, you need to scan the files separately following the naming procedure and upload all 3 documents at the same time. Click Upload button to proceed to next step, which is job verification. Jobs can be verified by the customs broker and customs manager. The next step requires the compiler to update if the job is for single movement permission or not. As the compiler progresses through the updates, they are guided by the system on what to upload next. Normally, the next step will be to upload the draft entry. The draft entry usually is sent via email, and draft approval also is received via email. As a proof of the approval, the email is now saved as a PDF and uploaded as the DA. Next step is the dial-up assessment. This determines if the job is going through green, yellow, or red lane. Compiler will be asked to upload the assessment notice and valuation note. Compiler needs to upload the AN and VN scanned files. Next upload will be the DPR, which means duty payment request. After DPR has been uploaded and sent to client, the compiler needs to upload the RA, which is the remittance advice. The upload guide will then ask for the wharfage and handling documents to be uploaded. Next is to upload the customs receipt and release order. As we progress, the job is now moving closer to the delivery stage. Delivery order document will be asked next for the upload or update of the job. Next is the PTL, or permit to land. Compiler needs to update if the containers are being required for NACIA inspection or the container is okay to release. Next will be the upload of gate pass and exit note. Compiler must upload these 2 files to proceed again with the update of the job. Usually after upload of the gate pass, the job is now highlighted with orange and is now being transferred to transport, and the fleet coordinator needs to accept the job to mimic the actual cargo movement and create a record of the movement in the system. Usually after upload of the gate pass, the job is now highlighted with orange and is now being transferred to transport, and the fleet coordinator needs to accept the job to mimic the actual cargo movement and create a record of the movement in the system. Usually after upload of the gate pass, the job is now highlighted with orange and is now being transferred to transport, and the fleet coordinator needs to accept the job to mimic the actual cargo movement and create a record of the movement in the system. After the fleet coordinator accepts the job, the fleet coordinator needs to go to Dashboard Fleet Coord menu and run the movement. The fleet coord needs to go to Wharf tab as the container is coming from the wharf. The fleet coordinator needs to click on Start as the movement starts and click End as the movement ends or arrives in RDC Depot. The fleet coordinator then needs to switch tab to RDCPOM and find the container which is waiting to be delivered to the client's yard. The fleet coordinator needs to assign a driver and truck to this container. The details must reflect the actual drive and truck that will deliver the container. Click Start and End to record the movement. After the delivery to the client's yard, the container will now sit in the client's yard empty tab. Again, fleet coordinator must assign a driver and a truck to pick up the empty, to bring back to RDC Depot, or return the empty straight to the empty depot. After the runs has been made or recorded, The data processors will take charge of the job and uploaded the dockets to their corresponding recorded movement. Go to Transport. Under Transport, click Dashboard D-Dockets menu. Since 3 movements has been made, 1 pickup from wharf, 2 deliver to client, and 3 return to empty depot. The data processor will have to upload 1 docket to corresponding movement. After all dockets has been uploaded, the job will now be detected and changed to complete status. As the user and client checks the timeline, they can see all the history and documents uploaded related to the job. Click View to load and view the documents uploaded for the job.